Hi everyone, this is Azimuth from Azimuth System. In this video, I will show you the Playback tab of Directory. We will use the Playback tab in order to run your test. You will first create a player by selecting a test bed in the list of all available test beds, and a test case, either from Scenario Builder or Link Builder. Here, we have selected this test bed called Test1, and we will now change our test case from the calibration file to an EPA test case. If we select the downlink path, we have access to a property panel with all our test parameters. By default, all the parameters are set from test case. This means that by default, we will use the values we set in Scenario Builder or Link Builder tab when we created our test case. If we want to dynamically change the value applied to some parameters such as the output power, the velocity, or the propagation delay, just stop the emulation and set this option in the Properties panel. On the bottom of the Properties panel, you can apply some SNR. The SNR value can be set from Link Builder tab. In this case, the noise value will be from test case. Otherwise, you can manually select the noise type and give it a value, for example an SNR of 10, set the signal bandwidth, and measure the reference power by hitting the blue button. It will take few seconds. Make sure that you have started your emulation before measuring the reference power. Finally, save all your modifications by hitting the Save button. The second tab of our Playback tab is the Grid View. In the Grid View, you can see all the information of your test case you are playing. For now, we have just one time and some power. You can go to Show Hide Columns in order to select the parameters that are relevant to you. For example, you may want only to see the output power from each channel, or the velocity, propagation delay, phase shift, or whatever you want. The very last window of the Playback tab is the power meters. From the power meters, you have access to all measured power at each port of your RNX. It can be the downlink or the uplink path, and for both input or output. For all these values, you also have a graph. One graph for all input values and one graph for all output values. It can be either downlink or uplink. It doesn't matter. You can also decide to display average power over time or instantaneous power. You have also the option to start logging in order to record the value you are playing and stop when you are done. This is all I wanted to show you in this video, so thanks for watching.